As an avid camper and outdoor enthusiast, we have come to appreciate the importance of having the right gear when it comes to cooking while camping. Whether you are embarking on a weekend getaway or a long camping trip, having the right cooking equipment can make all the difference in preparing delicious meals in the great outdoors. In today's video, we'll be covering the top 5 must-have camping cooking gear that will make your outdoor cooking experience a breeze. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Now let's dive deeper into the 5th item on our list, the Ignik Fire Can Deluxe. What sets this cooking system apart is its incredible versatility and thoughtful design. The Ignik Fire Can Deluxe comes equipped with a removable grill insert and a stainless steel flame tray insert, allowing you to achieve the perfect cooking temperatures for grilling your favorite meals. The flame adjustment knob gives you precise control over the cooking temperatures, ensuring that your outdoor culinary creations turn out just the way you like them. And the dual-burner portable fire pit lets you enjoy the warmth and ambience of a campfire anywhere you go. It's a fantastic alternative to wood fires, and it's raised off the forest floor, making it forest safe. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, and its collapsible legs and removable lid make it easy to set up and quick to break down. It stows away effortlessly, fitting into tight spaces, making it an ideal companion for any camping trip. It's a plug-and-play solution. The Ignik Fire Can Deluxe includes everything you need all together. It comes with the fire can itself and a 5-feet, quick-release hose, making it ready to use right out of the box. Now let's shift our focus to our number 4 pick, the Jetboil Genesis. This cooking system is a true game-changer for campers who crave versatility and high performance. First and foremost, the Jetboil Genesis boasts a dual-burner design that functions as a standalone stove or couples seamlessly with other Jetlink-compatible stoves. Now let's talk about what comes with this powerhouse cooking system. The 5-liter Jetboil Fluxpot and the 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan are included, providing you with everything you need to set a new benchmark for base camp cooking. Whether you're whipping up a hearty stew or sauté your favorite veggies, the Jetboil Genesis has you covered. When it comes to performance, the Jetboil Genesis doesn't disappoint. With a beastly 10,000 BTU heating system, it can boil water in just over 3 minutes. For added convenience, the Jetboil Genesis comes with a system-carrying bag that includes a pocket for the regulator. It's compatible with a standard 16.4-ounce propane bottle, making it easy to find fuel for your cooking adventures. Number 3 on our list is the Stansport Camping Axe. This isn't just your ordinary camping tool, it's a versatile, multifunctional powerhouse that's a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. The forged steel head with a gunmetal finish ensures that it can withstand the rigors of outdoor use, making it a reliable companion for various camping tasks. But what sets this camping axe apart is its thoughtful design. The fiberglass handle is not only sturdy but also features a molded exterior for a comfortable hold. Now, here's where the Stansport Camping Axe becomes a true all-in-one tool. It comes with an included handsaw that cleverly stores inside the handle. This handsaw is perfect for cutting through branches or preparing kindling for your campfire, adding an extra layer of functionality to the tool. And here's a feature that adds another layer of preparedness to this camping essential: the included fire striker with a whistle. This handy tool not only helps you start a fire with ease but also serves as an emergency whistle, providing an extra safety feature for your outdoor adventures. And of course, it cleverly stores in the sheath for quick access. Moving on to number 2 on our list, we have the ENCAMP Cooking Set. If you're looking for a complete camping stove solution that's both versatile and portable, the ENCAMP Stove Plus Small Wood Stove Set has got you covered. The ENCAMP Stove Plus is a complete camping stove package, providing you with all the essentials you need for a seamless outdoor cooking experience. This single-burner camp stove accommodates solid fuels such as wood, charcoal, and hexamine, offering you flexibility in choosing your preferred fuel source. The ENCAMP Cooking Set is compact and portable, making it an ideal companion for any camping trip. It's designed to be both light and functional, ensuring that it won't weigh you down during your outdoor adventures. And for your convenience, ENCAMP offers 4 different outdoor wood stove set options. And finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our list with the Stansport heavy-duty 7-piece stainless steel-clad cookware set. If you're serious about elevating your camping cooking experience, this set is a game-changer. To begin with, the Stansport cookware is crafted from kitchen-quality 18/10 stainless steel, ensuring durability and top-notch performance even in the rugged outdoors. But what truly sets it apart is the triple-ply 2.0mm aluminum clad bottom. This innovative design provides superior conductivity and even heating, giving you precise control over your cooking temperatures. The cookware set features a detachable cool handle that can be used on all pots and the fry pan. This not only ensures a safe cooking experience but also adds a layer of versatility. The handle stays cool even during cooking, allowing you to move seamlessly from stove to table. All 7 pieces fully nest together, making storage and transport a breeze. The compact nesting design ensures that you have a complete cookware set without compromising on portability. There you have it, folks, our top 5 must-have camping cooking gear for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're a solo camper or part of a group, having the right cooking gear can make all the difference. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, or if you have any other camping cooking gear recommendations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our outdoor gear reviews.